Wendy and Bernard have some books. If Wendy gives Bernard 10 books, she'll have 3 times as many books as Bernard. If she gives Bernard 20 books, she will have twice as many books as Bernard. How many books do Wendy and Bernard have altogether?
Let me start with this statement first. If Wendy gives Bernard 10 books, she will have 3 times as many books as Bernard. So I'm going to draw a model. So in this question, the heuristics that we use will be draw a diagram. So maybe I write down first, I let the number of books Bernard has after receiving 10 books from Wendy is 1 unit. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, Wendy will have something like that. Alright? 1, 2, and maybe something like 3. Now, this is my Wendy block, and Wendy, we're looking at 3 units. Alright? Plus a 10 here. Now, Bernard will have, because Wendy is going to give 10 to Bernard. So this is my Bernard. And I must understand that this is called 1 unit. Alright. So this is the first part, right? Second part. If she means Wendy gives Bernard 20 books, she will have twice as many books as Bernard. 2 parts, you must be clear. And Bernard this is my Wendy, this is my Bernard. Okay, so now you're going to give 20, this part here, to Bernard. Alright, and we know that this is known as my 1 unit plus 10. This is also known as my 1 unit plus 10. And this is also known as my 1 unit plus 10. The whole thing here, 1 unit plus 10. Right? Now, you can see by comparing the first model with the third model, this whole thing here is known as, I use another color, you see carefully, 3 unit, but there's an extra 10 here. Can you see that? So we must say 3 unit or 3 units subtract 10 is the same as this part here. 2 unit plus 10. 2 units plus 10. Of course, plus another 10, because 1 unit is 1 unit plus 10, 1 unit plus 10, to have 2 units plus 20. Okay, once you're clear about this, you know that 3 and 2 are 1 unit, will be 10 plus 10, 20. I have negative 10 on my left, I plus 10 on the left, plus 10 on the right, I have 30. So immediately I know that 1 unit is 30. So originally, how many units does Wendy and Bernard have? You can see originally is 4 units. So 4 units will be 4 multiplied by 30. I have 120. Then we conclude. How many books do Wendy and Bernard have altogether? So you can say Wendy and Bernard will have 120 books altogether.